Welcome to our quick posture improvement session focusing on the shoulders and the neck. You need a yoga strap or a soft cloth belt of any kind. When you're ready, grab hold of the belt and stretch your arms in front of you. Keep the arms straight and shoulder width apart and then push forward slightly, rounding your upper back and then pull back. The action concentrates in the shoulder. We're keeping the arms straight, pulling the shoulders back and then pushing forward. Just repeating this action a couple times to warm up and open up the shoulders. And then bring the hands down. Now take the hands further apart, still keeping the arms straight and pulling the belt taut. Take the arms up as high as you can and then back down for a few reps. As you reach the arms up, lift the sides of the waist up. With each rep, see if you can lift up higher and if possible, take the arms further back. Gently increase the range of motion over time. If you're able to reach the arms behind the head, do so by squeezing the back muscles towards the spine and lifting the chest up more. You may even be able to circle all the way to the back here. Bring the arms forward and up and take a moment to reset. Now we're going to do some side stretches. So again, pulling on the belt with the arms wider than shoulder, quite wide, and arms straight. Lifting overhead and then reaching to the right and then back up and then reaching to the left and up. Inhale, exhale to the right, coming back up and to the left and coming up. With each repetition, stretch the arms a little bit more, and if it feels good, turn the head to look up over the top arm. Again, back to center, to the right, hips level, pressing through the heels. Inhale up and exhale, stretch left. Inhale up, exhaling to the right. Exhaling to the left. Back to center. And forward and down. Now make a loop with your belt, either using the belt buckle or just simply tying the ends to each other. You just want to make that loop so it is as wide as your shoulders. So make sure you take that measurement as I'm showing. Slide the fingers through, but keep your thumbs on the outside of the loop with your arms straight in front of you. Press your heels down and lift the arms up overhead. Roll the tricep muscles in towards your midline and into your arm bones. With each rep, lift your torso higher, lift the chest, and if possible, look up at your hands. And then bring the hands forward and all the way down for a few more reps. Reach the arms long in front of you and all the way up. Lengthen up through the armpits. Look up if you can. Bring the hands forward and then all the way down. Keep the abdomen back, shoulders back, and reach up through the arms. Extend all the way through the fingertips and lift the chest. Bring the arms forward and all the way down. Now just take the hands behind you and slide the fingers again through the loop with the thumbs on the outside. Make sure that you keep your arms really straight. So as I'm showing, you want to pull the arms apart to keep the belt really taut behind you. Then we reach the arms straight back, slowly deepening the range of motion. Make sure that you extend from your shoulders to your elbows and all the way to the wrist with each repetition. Keep the eyes looking straight ahead. Reach back, lift the chest, and bring the hands down. Toss the belt aside. Let's do a couple arm circles forward to release tension and a couple rolls back. Enjoy your new uplifted posture. See you next time.